Hey, it's Andrew again with A&H Custom Fence and Deck. This is day 6 now of the project, and we're tearing off the roof. The ceiling is done, the deck boards are off. We're almost ready to rebuild. So for this part, we're taking off the old shingles, we're replacing them with new cedar shakes that we have over here. That'll be for tomorrow. We're stripping and cleaning up right now, but we'll be building tonight. The ceiling, as you can see, is done. Yesterday, we just got to put the hatch in. The deck boards are all off, and next week we're going to start putting the deck on. Everything's going good. We're about 6 days in, and on our end, everything's going good. It won't be too much longer here, and we'll be in the middle of the finished product. This side's pretty much all stripped, as you can see. There's some wood repair we're going to have to do around the dormers. You can see where it's rotting out the corners. So we're going to address that while we're addressing the roof as well.
Andrew, thank you very much again.
Have a good day, and we'll see you soon.